What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how you can change your profile picture here on WhatsApp. Easy process, just a few seconds, no workarounds, no blah blahs, straight to the point. Profile picture is pretty much the picture that you do have in here representing your photo. For example, I'm gonna tap on my sister's photo. This is how it looks like, okay? So you wanna change your profile picture. All you wanna do is hop into settings in here, tap on your photo, tap on edit real quick. Next up, simply tap on choose photo to select the photo. Next up, simply select the specific photo that you wish to add, okay? Select it, and then once you select it, you simply want to maximize, zoom, or customize it, and then tap on choose. There we go. Now, if I tap on edit again in here, you can create an avatar with AI, for example. You can choose to take a photo right now, a selfie. You can create an AI image. You can import a picture from Instagram as well as from Facebook, okay? For example, if I tap on take picture, here I am. Hi, consider subscribing. Let me tap on here to click. That's my picture. I can tap on use photo, and that picture will be sent to my WhatsApp profile picture real quick. That's how easy you can actually upload a different photo here on your profile picture. I hope you found my content useful. If you find it useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.